Hey, it's Bob Pickett. I got to tell you, we moved to West Texas from Southern California. I was about 5 years old, and every summer I would hear this sound, and it would scare me to death. I didn't know what it was. I'm used to this sound now after being in Texas, but it's this sound right here. You know what this sound is? Cicadas, locusts, and they are loud. I mean, just listen. It gets louder and louder and louder. It'll drive you crazy. And of course, we're stuck to the sound until the end of summer. So don't worry, just a locust, just a cicada. One more time, guys. That's what I'm talking about right there.